Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kid. As always, my name is Dion, here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. And today we will go over the top 5 investing apps on the market. If you're part of this community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. Maybe this is your first time around here. Please hit the subscribe button right away for personal finance and other money tips in the future. Subscribing is free, doesn't really cost you anything, but it does help a lot. So, with over 5 million apps between the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, it is safe to say it will take you an eternity to figure out which ones are worth your time. On the other hand, with an overwhelming amount of apps on the market right now, this is definitely to the benefit of the consumer. With the help of these apps, investing has now become more mainstream and accessible than ever before. I can grab my phone and buy or sell stocks or other investments within seconds. Granted, I'm using my phone to record this video, so I can't do that right this minute. So, here are the top investing apps I would personally recommend. Number 1 is M1 Finance. While short-term and day trading is having a huge momentum in 2020 with apps such as Robinhood, M1 Finance is actually more suitable for long-term investing. The two are similar, with Robinhood being much larger in size, but with recent negative press regarding coding glitches and users not being able to close their positions for a while during the recent market crash, Robinhood has not made the list. So, M1 Finance is a free app that lets you start investing with small amounts, and if buying full shares is too much, you can just buy a fractional share. This is a huge advantage as it helps you have a diversified portfolio, even with a low capital. You don't need $3,000 to buy a full share of Amazon, for example. You can buy a fraction for only $100. But what I like a lot about M1 Finance is their dividend reinvestment options, which many other investing apps and investing platforms do not have. Now, what that means is that you can select to have any dividend payouts automatically reinvested for you. Overall, the app is encouraging long-term investment strategies. Even more, they offer a retirement account option and also investing in ETFs and other funds. I will do a video very soon on how to set up an M1 Finance account, so make sure to subscribe. Next on the list of the best investing apps is Acorns. If you like good surprises when you check your investment account, you will like Acorns. It's great because it makes saving and investing automatic. For each purchase you make on your debit or credit card, Acorns rounds up that cost to the next dollar and invests the difference on your behalf in a high quality, diverse portfolio of stocks and bonds. So, let's say you bought a coffee for $3.25, just an example. Well, an additional 75 cents will be deposited automatically to your Acorns account. Over time, those small amounts can add up and you can start slowly building an investment portfolio. Acorns even offers an IRA option, so they are good to use for those looking to invest long-term and for retirement as well. The only downside to this is that Acorns is not free. However, the $1 a month fee is quite affordable, and over time, it actually works out to be cheaper than many other low-fee index fund platforms out there. So share the video with friends and family, by the way, so they can see it as well. And the next investing app on the list today is Weibo. So if you've seen any YouTube videos where someone opens a free stock they received from referring friends, there is a good chance you've heard about Weibo already. Weibo made their name with a promotion where you get a free share for your first deposit, and if you refer a friend and they also make a first-time deposit, you each get a free share. Now, while most of the shares are low value, some were high quality stocks. So it is a nice free gift when you register. Even better, they're free platform. So you can start investing with no commissions. The value you get from the platform is increased by the access to comprehensive charts and technical analysis tools. Therefore, it could be used as part of your short, even medium, or long-term investment strategy. I trade on Weibo almost daily when I have the time. And we get to my personal favorite when it comes to investing apps and online platforms, and that is Fidelity. I have been using Fidelity for over 10 years, and I don't have anything bad to say about them. After all, they're one of the well-established companies that are around there. If you're looking to invest in free index funds, Fidelity is a great app for long-term investments. They're not so suitable for individual stocks and day trading like Weibo or M1 Finance, for example. But when it comes to ETFs and index funds, it is one of the best apps out there. Mutual funds as well. So there are some funds that for a long-term investors, fees can eat up into the profits because they add up over time. So you need to be careful when you purchase funds from Fidelity or Vanguard, for example. But luckily, with Fidelity, you will be able to invest for free in high quality passively managed funds, and trading fees are also $0. So trade away. Lastly on the list of investment apps is Betterment. Betterment is actually more of a robo-investment platform. If you prefer passive investing, this could be the right choice for you. There is a small annual fee, so keep that in mind. And the best feature that I personally really love is the automatic tax loss harvesting, which is pretty unique feature among other investing platforms out there. You would know how tedious it is to deal with taxes at the end of the year, and that's why Betterment makes all that process very easy. Another great feature, especially if you have specific saving goal in mind, Betterment Robo-Advisor can recommend a managed portfolio for you. You just need to keep up with your contributions and not worry about how the market moves, as the Robo-Advisor does the rest for you. That makes it great for beginner investors as well. So there you have it, 5 best investing apps on the market. What do you think? Have you used any of those so far? Let me know down in the comments, please. Personally, I use all 5, and that is why I recommend them. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I will continue to bring you updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you have subscribed to my channel already. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you stay up to date with my content. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. If that's the case, like and share so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find some helpful links. You might want to check those out. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.